equivalent to 2,000.
Alright, this is day 2 of Vegas, and this is my little outfit. It's actually Lisa's. I borrowed it because it looked good on me. We are now just doing a little photo shoot here. And we're gonna take some pictures. Oh, this is not trans friendly. I hate overhead lighting.
Yes. Put your head on that head forward. Yeah, right there. Overcross. Where we look beautiful. Where we look beautiful. Where we look beautiful. Little Christmas, real time.
So I guess we're doing the same background.
No, let's go that.
So this is day 2 of Vegas. I already said that earlier, but this is going to be our day 2 outfit of the day video. And my outfit is cute, courtesy to Miss Lisa Opie. Thank you, girl. So I have a smoky eye once again because this is the only look I wear on my eyes at the moment. Got my glitter sparkles, of course, my hair in, which doesn't look as snatched as last night, but that's okay. And then this snake print. Oh, that's a good view. Piece. And I am padded up. I like put socks into this like little pad thing so I look more hippie than I actually am. So when in Rome. Who else wants to go next? All right, Bree.
Okay, so my dress is from Zara.
Oh, that's from Zara? That's cute.
Yeah, and these are the same boots from last night that I don't know where they're from. It's great.
Giving me, we're all giving you Spice Girl realness today.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'm one of the browns Spice Girls.
And what are you wearing on your face?
Becca, Anastasia, and Huda.
Yes, she's giving me, God, what is that girl's name? But Kendra, the Vampire Slayer realness.
I'm so pale.
Yes, honey. Save the last dance.
Embracing the thickness.
Hey guys, so my outfit is like super cheap actually. My top is from Forever 21. I'm wearing my up bra, so I have like that super lift, and my leggings are from Zara. And my shoes are from Ego. They're like latex with a clear sole, so yeah. So I'm wearing my hidden crown. I had it cut, so I had it cut so that it would give my hair density, but not the length. And I don't know, I just like this hairstyle. I kind of copied Brie. It was her idea first, but I did like the 2 pigtails. And of course I'm wearing my Lisa lashes. I look full glam. And don't mind my lips, I just got them done. Can you like not zoom in
well,
so close? Damn. Okay.
All right, well, let's do one.
I want to do yours.
I already did mine, but you can do, I guess,
Like,
do it
I'll
again.
like hold the camera.
So where are we going tonight?
We're going to Omni. I'm so excited. Omni is my favorite club in Vegas. Like, it's so fun. Why do I sound like so raspy right now?
I do too. I need to take my hormones.
Can I have some?
All right, yeah, this is not true. So, should I like?
Oh my god, what happened?
It's noticeable, isn't it? Like it's not noticeable up here, but when I go like this, should I like?
Stop. Let me see.
I feel it. No, I feel it.
It's like.
Just don't even.
Okay.
Lisa.
What?
So these are my shoes. I just got these on Amazon. Do not know. I used to hate wearing these type of shoes, but actually my feet, for some reason, have gotten smaller, I feel like, so I don't feel uncomfortable wearing heels like this, like I used to.
Whoa now!
And this is what Jr. is wearing. Do you want to explain yourself?
I am wearing a top I got from Zara, and
Okay, everyone's wearing Zara.
these
Wait,
pants are from
Zara.
ASOS, and these shoes are from ASOS. This belt's from ASOS. 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 and that's what I'm wearing.
What are you wearing on your face?
Natural beauty.
Oh. All right, so this is our day 2 Vegas outfits, and this is courtesy to Miss Elisa, who's filming this right now. She let me borrow her little snake print 2-piece. It is gonna be a little spaghetti strap crop top. Where did you get this at?
Oh my god, Fashion Nova.
Fashion. I'm wearing Fashion Nova.
Oh, you Cardi B.
All right, so I'm rocking Fashion Nova, Cardi B, hey. How you doing? Oh, that's Wendy Williams. And then we have this bodycon skirt with the little slits.
Your butt looks so good today.
Thanks.
Oh, girl.
I am all fake padded up.
Oh my god. Yes.
Yes. Hopefully I don't look like I got a monkey butt. That's okay.
What about the shoes?
These are just some little black strappies that I got on Amazon. So yeah, then I painted my toenails, forgot to paint my actual nails, didn't get pressed on, so. And then for the makeup, just the basic, what I usually do, very soft, very blended, my little blonde hair, and we're going out. We're gonna get drunk.
Hey!
All right, Lisa.
You did that to me. Okay, let's get the f out of here. I'm gonna fall asleep when we all walk out the door right now.
Yeah.
No, but I can make it a video.
Pop this pussy like this, lick it now, lick it good. Fuck a bitch on Tuesday just I like you like you would.